Hey everyone! One way we can make our browser run faster and smoother is by optimizing it. In this video, we will show you how to optimize your browser, from changing settings to using helpful tips. This will help us browse the web more efficiently and enjoy a better experience. When we talk about optimization, we mean technical improvements, like the recent Rust-based AdBlock engine. This update can reduce the browser's memory use by up to 75% and boost speed. As a result, we get better battery life, smoother performance, and improved browsing by automatically blocking ads, trackers, and scripts. This makes the browser much faster, up to 3 times faster than competitors. There are different ways we can optimize our web browser. First, we need to update the browser. To update the browser, go to your settings. You can find settings in the upper right corner or at the bottom part of the browser. Look for Show Settings here. To locate it, just tap and go to the bottom part, the About section. Click this About section to see if the browser is up to date. Once the browser is updated, the next step is to clear the cache and browsing data. To do this, go to Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data. Here, we can delete all the browsing data, unnecessary passwords, cookies, cache, images, and files. Deleting these will help free up space. Next, we manage our extensions. Go to Extensions and review the extensions. Remove all unnecessary extensions and keep only the ones we really need. Then, go to Privacy and Security. The next step is to reset the internet connection. Go to the modem and restart or reset the router. After resetting, reconnect the browser for better performance. With all these tips, we can now enjoy a better browsing experience. The purpose of optimizing the browser is to improve its speed, performance, and security. By optimizing, we can reduce loading times, free up memory, block unwanted ads or trackers, and ensure smoother browsing. This leads to a faster, safer, and more efficient online experience. A well-optimized browser helps protect our data and gives us a smarter online experience.